Ah. Oh, hey y'all, this is Steven with Peaceful Warriors Wellness Center, and today's Wellness Wednesday is about relaxing and helping our blood flow, especially before sleep. Now, keep in mind, if you have any heart issues or stenosis in your back, or if you have gastric reflux or GERD, check in with your healthcare provider, as always. So without further ado, you just prop your feet up. You can do a few pillows, or just as long as it's above the heart. What we're trying to do here is get that venous from our veins, the blood flow returning to the heart, because a lot of the times we're upright. Hopefully we're upright most of the day, and we're fighting with gravity all the way down to our lower extremities, our feet, our calves. So you can also just pump them, because the calves are also known as the second heart, the soleus in particular. Anywho, if you'd like to learn more about the muscles and how they work in relation to our heart and our heart rate and regulating that, being more optimal, please come see us at the Wellness Center so you can feel better, move better, and be better. Have a beautiful night. Sweet dreams.